We're just going to discuss a little bit about base bevel. What is base bevel and how does it work? Base bevel is a really hard thing to see, especially with the naked eye. You really need to use a true bar to put it up against the base material and be able to read the bevel. These illustrations here are of the ski on the snow. I'm going to try to articulate what base bevel is here and how it works. So the first thing I'll say, the most important beginning to base bevel working correctly is making sure that the base material is flat and true. And that starts with a good stone grind or potentially a new ski. Once you stone grind a ski, you can get it absolutely flat all the way across the base here through the edges. So when I refer to a flat ski, I refer to the edges on the base edge being flat in relation to the actual base material here. So if you can see, if this ski's on snow and it's absolutely flat through the base bevel, the second you roll that ski up on edge, the sharp edge of the side edge and the base edge would dig into the snow and begin to turn. Now, when you add base bevel with a file, what you do is you create an angle where it gets the edges up out of the snow. The further the edges are up and out of the snow, the less reactive the ski will be. That's why for ski racing, most of the time for GS and slalom, you're going to see a ski at 0.5 for base bevel, which is a very slight bevel. And it gets the edge into the snow quicker and gets the skis to react faster. When you create or put too much base bevel on it, it raises the edges further and further out from the stone. So you can see you'd really have to get the ski way over on edge before you could possibly get that point of the side edge and base edge to interface with the snow here. Adding more and more bevel makes the skis less and less reactive. So once the base bevel's been set on a pair of skis, basically you just want to leave it there. A lot of people have the tendency to want to polish the base edge or touch them up with a file to clean up the base edge, but what you end up doing is adding more and more bevel to the ski and making it less and less reactive. Unfortunately, the only way to fix that is to stone grind the ski, flatten it out, and reset the bevel. So I always recommend people really not to ever touch the base bevel unless they're like physically trying to change it and make the skis less reactive. If you feel like you want to touch up the base bevel with a file because the edges are getting all dinged up from skiing, that's a great opportunity, a good time just to take the skis into a store and get a stone grind and get the skis reflattened and ready for setting the bevel.